Hello guys, welcome to the Laptop Class YouTube channel. So today here we are, to know about all shortcut keys for computer for A to Z shortcut key for CTRL+A, select all text. CTRL+B, bold text.
CTRL+C, copy text.
CTRL+D, open font formatting window.
CTRL+Z, center text.
CTRL+F, find a phrase. CTRL+G, go to a specific page. CTRL+H, replace text with another text.
CTRL+I, italiciza text.
CTRL+J, justify text. CTRL+K, open insert hyperlink window.
CTRL+L, left align text.
CTRL+M, indent a paragraph from the left. CTRL+N, open new document or file. CTRL+O, open an existing document or file. CTRL+P, print a document. CTRL+Q, remove paragraph formatting. CTRL+R, right align text. CTRL+S, save the document or file. CTRL+T, create a hanging indent. CTRL+U, underline selected text. CTRL+V, paste any text or object that has been copied. CTRL+W, close open tab in a browser or a document in Word. CTRL+X, cut text or object. CTRL+Y, redo any undo action.
CTRL+Z, undo any.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.